Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the adapter and confirming the LED shows pairing mode. This matters because the adapter won't advertise if it's off or already connected. Once done, make sure your phone or source has Bluetooth enabled and is set to discoverable. That allows the two devices to see each other. Connect the 3.5 cable to the adapter and the aux input. They must be physically linked now so audio can pass after pairing, and positioning within a couple meters improves signal stability. You now pair the adapter. Open Bluetooth settings on your source and scan. Choose the adapter name to initiate pairing. If a PIN prompt appears, try common codes like 0000 or 1234. This is standard for many adapters. Once paired, make sure the source's audio output is set to Bluetooth rather than the device speaker, because otherwise no sound will route to the aux. Then play a short test clip at low volume to verify audio is passing through clearly. You finish by securing the adapter and cable so movement doesn't create noise or unplug the connection. This keeps playback consistent. If you encounter no sound, check the volume on both the source and the receiving device and confirm the Bluetooth icon shows connected. Sometimes audio defaults elsewhere. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the adapter by holding its power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Then re-enter pairing mode and try again, because a reset clears stale pairings and often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.